Okay. Now, what we are going to do is, question is, the length is given in the red block, green block, and blue block. Okay. Tower A, tower A is formed by putting together two times red blocks, right? Two times red plus four times green blocks. है ना? Two times red and four times green blocks. That is 2 into what is the uh, measurement for red block? 2 into 2 whole and 3 upon 4. है ना? Right? Okay. Plus 4 into green का क्या है? 4 whole and half. Correct? Yes? Everyone understands this? Right? Let me show it on the whiteboard here. तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 times 2 whole and 3/4. Okay, 2 times 2 whole 3/4 plus 4 times 2 and a half. है ना? Okay, so first we will solve this part. That is 2 into, this is a mixed fraction, so first we have to convert it into what? Improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 upon 4. Okay, so this is, and 4 into 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. Okay, so now 2 into 11 upon 4 plus 4 into 5 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, right? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 here. Okay, so what do we do? What it becomes is, next step is 11 upon 2 plus 5 twos are 10, right? So 10 upon 1. So in this case we will have to, how do we do it? We find LCM, but LCM of 1 and 2 is going to be 2 only. We already know that, है ना? So 11 upon 2 plus, here we have to make denominator 2. That means you have to multiply it by 2. So 10 into 2 is 20. Okay, right? And what do we get? 11 plus 20 divided by 2, right? What is that? 31 divided by 2, that is 15 whole 1 upon 2. Yes, right everyone? Devanshi, now is it clear? Good job, very good, very good. Okay, now let's do the division sums. Let's do the division sums, which you some of you had the question. First one is verify by multiplying. Okay, verify by multiplying. We will do that one first. Okay, first you have to do this one. So what it becomes is 5 upon 9 into reciprocal of 6 is 1 upon 6. So 5 upon 54 will be the answer, right? 5 upon 54. Okay, now verify by multiplying. How do we do that? Don't worry about this part, verifying by multiplying. Okay, that is not part of your, like, okay, yeah, all right everyone. Yes, we are not going to do this part at all. We won't be doing this, है ना? ये part को छोड़ ही दो, right? It is not needed here. What if you want to verify? What you have to do is, you have to multiply 5 upon 9 into 1 upon 6. That is going to be 5 upon 54. Sorry. Okay, right? There is someone in the waiting room, Aryan. Okay, another way of doing it is, you have to multiply it by 6. That's what you can do. Okay, right? Okay, right. Now going to the next one. Where are we? This one. Each shape represent one unit. No, this was the question, right? Here was the question. So what we will do, how we will solve this one? 4 into 3 upon 1. Yeah, 3 upon 1. So what it becomes? 12, right? 2 into 6 upon 1. So answer will be 12. All you have to do is just make the reciprocal. Yeah. Okay. Now going on to the next one. 7 apple cost rupees 51 and 1/3. Okay. So first of all, we will have to convert it into improper fraction. Okay. That means 51 into 3 plus 1 upon 3. What will be the answer? 153 plus 1 upon 3. That is 154 upon 3. Okay. So we have got this much. Yes. Remember this number. 154 upon 3 is the cost of 7 apples, right? So 7 apples cost 154 upon 3 rupees. So what is the cost of 1 apple? It is very simple. It's a cross multiplication. So what we have to do? 154 upon 3, right? Divided by 7. So what do we do? 154 upon 3 into 7 is 7 upon 1. So its reciprocal, it becomes 1 upon 7. Right? Now you can do the division. 154 upon 3. Right? You know how to do the division. 154 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 comes down. Again 7 2s are 14. So 0 0. है ना? So 7 1s are 7. 22 7s are is 154. So you have the answer 22 upon 3. So again, you have to convert it into a mixed fraction. So 3 7s are 21 and 1/3. Okay. Right, everyone? Yeah. Got it? Good job. Very good. Very good. Okay, then. Yeah. Okay. Right, everyone? So this is unitary method. Yes, it is unitary method. No, you don't have to write this in the notebook because I have already assigned as worksheet to you. So you have to, in case you were not able to solve some problems, you can solve them in your home practice book. Okay. Now we are going to start with decimals. Right? We all remember the decimals. Hannah. So let's write today's date, 8th April 21. Okay. And we will talk about decimals in the notebook. Come on, everyone. Decimals. Start writing. We know in decimals, it's very easy. If you want to add, right, addition, I'm going to directly start with addition because this one is very easy, right? What are decimals? Decimals are basically fractions with 10 as the denominator. है ना? All the fractions with either 10, 20, or rather 10, 100, thousands, those type of denominators. है ना? So what we will do in addition of decimals, what do we do? Say for example, we have 3.2 plus 4.64. Okay. If that is the case, then what do we do? If that is the case, yes, now you have to write it in the notebook. Hannah, now you have to write it in the notebook. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So how do we solve this? How do we solve this? We have to make sure that they are like decimals. Hannah. So we have to put them into table form or rather into the column form. 3.2, 4.64. So first of all, we will have to put 0 here. Then only it will become like decimals, and then only it can be added. So 4 plus 0 is 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 4 is 7. Somebody had submitted something else as answer. Now you know what I mean. Yes, we need to add 0. Very good. Yes, you have to write decimals. Yes, come on. Come on. Yes, very good. We need to add 0. 7.84 is the correct answer. Okay, this is the first example, right? So second example, you will do it on your own. 5.9 plus 3.11. Solve it. Come on. Solve this example and submit your answers in the chat box. Submit your answers in the chat box. Good with. Let's see if you are correct or not. Devanshi, incorrect answer, beta. Stavan, Atif, here incorrect. Yes, Arya, correct. Anshi Singh, I cannot see. Beta, try to leave the class and join in again if it works for you, because others are able to see it. Astha, no. 9 point, no. Okay, yes, correct. 5.9 plus 3.11. So 5.90 we will have to do. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 9 plus 1 is 0. So we have to carry 1 forward. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Yes. Devanshi, if you take the question itself, if you read the question itself as wrong, then there is no point in solving the question itself, beta. Right? You make a mistake in reading the question. There is no saving from that mistake. Yeah. Okay, next one. Okay, number 3. Okay, I'm going to start with number 3. 2 point, sorry, 2.801 plus 3.2. Solve this. Number 4, I'm going to give you number 4. Come on, solve this. Devanshi, incorrect again, beta. Please check your answer. Arya Mehta, nope. You have to carry forward. Sharanya, you want to see question number 2? Okay, I'm going back to see question number 2. Ansh, you can check it out here. Question number 2. Okay. Yes, Shiven Sri Rajput, correct answer. Good job. Yes, Bhakti, Dhanvi, good. Labdhi, Mohit, Heer, Kavya, Kea. Astha's answer is wrong. Astha, beta, check your answer again. Yes, now it is correct. Very good. Very good. Good job, everyone. Right, let's do this one. What we have to do is 2.801 plus 3.2. We don't have any more digits, so we will have to put 0 zeros here. So 1 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 2 is 0, and 1 carried over. So answer will be 6.001. Okay, now number 4 is going to be 5.328 plus 4.682. Solve this. What will be the answer? I just showed question number 2, Labdhi. This is number 4. Now note down number 4 first, then we will go to number 2. Come on. Come on, let's do it quick, beta. So going back to the question number 2 here. If you want, you can take screenshots, and as such I am recording, so later on you will be able to see the answers, all the questions. Okay, right? Okay, now let's solve this one. 5.328 plus 4 point, sorry, 4.682. 8 plus 2 is 0, 1 carried over. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 carried over. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carried over. So answer will be 10.010. Okay, this is the answer. But do we keep the 0 after the digit? No, so the answer will be 10.01. The 0 after this digit has no value. Same way 0 before this digit has no value. Yes, we already know this, है ना? Right, everyone? Good, good, very good. So next one, going to the, now we are going to go for subtraction. Let's try subtraction. Number 5, 6.03 minus 2.56. So what do? We have to borrow, है ना? Now 3 minus 6 is not possible, so we have to borrow from the next one, which is 0. We cannot borrow, so we have to borrow from 6, है ना? So 6 becomes 5, so we will get here 10, right? Again we have to borrow, so it becomes 9, and this 10 and 3 added, it becomes 13. So 13 minus 6 is 7, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, right? Come on, try this one example on your own. 8.16 minus 3 point, sorry, 3.29. Solve this one. 8.16 minus, not 16, sorry, we can never say 16. It is 8.16 minus 3.29. We already know why we cannot say it 16, right? If in case if you have doubt, you can go back to old videos from my class. Yeah, come on, do it. Solve this example. Good. Devanshi, Ved, Atif, very good. Let's start it. First of all, we will have to borrow for 6. So here it becomes 0 and here it becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 here, and this becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, right, everyone? Yes, very good, very good. Okay, now we are going to go for number 7 example. Is 3.2 into 6. Find the answer. Multiplication of decimals. Come on. Solve this example. Multiplication. Very good. Come on. You can do this. Come on, come on, come on. Very good. Sharanya, Pradini, Ved, Atif. Good job. Here. Very good. Correct answers. All of you. Very good. 6 twos are 12. Oops. 6 twos are 12. 1 carried over. 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. And then we will put the decimals. Here, if the decimal is right before one digit, so here also one digit. Right? Very good. Very good. Yes. All the new students, Dhanvi, then who else was there? Astha, then आर्यन, आर्यराज, अवधूत, कहाँ गए रे, देवांशी, ये तो सब हमारे वाले ही है, गौरव, हर्ष, हीर, केया, कृपेन, लब्धि, माही, माही, यस, देन शरण्या, शिवेन, स्तवन, वेद, विश्व, या, दर्श पटेल, yeah, okay, good, 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 come on, join in. Number 8, question number 8, right? Now here we are going to do 1.2 into 1.8. Solve this example. Solve this example. Come on. I'm going to the next page for this example. I'm going to rewrite it. Okay, I'm going to rewrite number 8 because there is not enough space here for me or for you. Number 8, 1.2 into 1.8. Solve this. Shiven 29, that is Shiven Bhatt or Rajput? I don't know. Anyways, but incorrect answer. Yes, Avdhut, Astha, Shiven Rajput. Incorrect. Shiven Rajput is incorrect. Gaurav incorrect. Shiven Parini is right. Nope, nope, no, 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 no. When you have more than one number which has got decimals in multiplication, they are added, right? So what do we do? 8. First of all, we will start with 8. 8 twos are 16. 1 carried over. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Then we put 0, and multiplying by 1 is not going to be a problem, right? So 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 2, 11. 1. 1 carried over. 1 plus 1, 2. Now we have to count number of decimal points. Here there are 2, है ना? So we will have to count 2 digits. So 1 and 2, and so answer will be 2.16. Right? You forgot. That's what happens when you don't do enough practice. You want to see 6 question, Divyanshi? That's too bad. Where are you? Why are you lagging behind, beta? Come on. Buckle up. We are going faster and faster. Come on. Are you enjoying this super fast ride with me? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up if you do. Digitally. No, no, no. Digitally. That's much better. Yeah, that's better. Thank you, Devanshi. Very good. Are you enjoying this quick ride? Good, good. Who is not enjoying it? All right. Who is not enjoying it? Is there anyone who is not enjoying the ride? Is there anyone who is not enjoying this ride? ये तो रोलर कोस्टर राइड जैसे जा रहा है ना, एकदम फास्ट फास्ट. Right? Come on, let's do one more example of multiplication. 3 now pay attention, 3.208 into 1.2. Solve this. Ved is saying, sir, you are a bit slow. Oh, goodness. Ved remembers from grade 5. Oh, can you show 3 and 4? Because there is a mistake of writing, I think. So you can show that. Devanshi. Okay. Have you written this one? Number 9. Come on. Take a screenshot of number 9. Devanshi, just a second. Number 3 and 4, we will go back to it. Saying I made a mistake. Let's see. Okay. Number 3 and 4. 3.2001. Yeah, it seems fine. Devanshi, it's all correct, beta. I don't see a mistake here. Devanshi. Yes, Devanshi. What was the mistake in number 3 and 4?
I have wrote here a mistake. So I want
Ah,
to just check.
oh,
It's a mistake or it's
okay, beta. Right, going back to the question. Come on. Oops. Yeah, okay. Let's try it. Let's solve this example. 2 8 अरे ये मेरी जर्नल में से बार बार भाग जाता है. 2 8 16, 1 carried over. 2 zeros are 0 and 1 comes down as 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then we have to put 0 for 10 and then 3208 multiplying by 1 makes no difference. And so 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 comes down, 6 plus 2, 8, 3 comes as such. And now the number of digits of decimal. So 1 here and 1 plus 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the correct answer is 3.8496. Very good. Yeah, that was my washing machine, Labdi. Thank you. That is my washing machine. Very good. Very good. Yes, the correct answer is 3.8496. Okay. Right, everyone? So, you know what to do. You remember what to do? No, you won't remember it. Anyways, let's do this. Everyone, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Those who got the answer correct. Those who got the answer correct. Raise your hand, turn it other way around, and pat yourself. You have done a good job. Okay, have you done it? Raise your hand, show me. Keep your video on. Keep your video on. Yes, raise your hand, turn it around, and pat yourself on your back. Good job. Yes, very good, Lavdi. Good job. Yes, those of you who got the correct answer. Yes, Aditi, did you get the correct answer? Yeah, good. It's all right, beta. You will get it. You all you need is little bit of practice. Okay, with practice you will get there. Okay, right? And for practice, I'm going to share some worksheets. Yeah, you'll enjoy them. Okay, now the division part. Division part. Yeah, let's do the division part, which is very easy. What was the example number? Last example was number 9. So number 10. Right? Very simple. Let's say 34.8 divided by 3. Come on, solve this example. 34.8 divided by 3. Very easy example. It's okay, Kavya. If I don't know why it is happening, but it's all right. Nothing to worry. Yeah, nothing to worry, beta. Come on, very easy example. 34.8 divided by 3. So what do we do? Yeah, 34.8 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 0, 4 comes down, 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. Now 8 comes down and this decimal point goes up. So 3 6 are 18. Right? So your answer is 11.6. Yeah? Good job. Very good. Very good. Let's do one more example. Shall we do one more example? Yeah? Okay, let's do one more example, number 11. Okay, now this is going to be interesting. 22.4 divided by How will we divide it with? Mm, yeah, okay. 2.4. Do you know how to do this? Yes. First, note down this one. I'll show you number 10. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Solve this example. I'm going to show you the previous slide. Yeah, come on. Solve this. You know how to solve this. You already have solved it. Okay, good. Good. Going back to the last slide, number 11. Okay. This is your homework, if you can do it. Ooh, that's a long answer, Asta. That's a very long answer. Very, very long answer. 8.61538461538461. Wow. Ah. Nope. Parini and Kavya, that is incorrect. What we have to do is, because they both have the decimal places in the decimal points in the same position, right? We can rule them out. So it's very simple. It's a simple division of 224 divided by 24. It's a simple division. Because let me show you how it's done here on this part. 22.4, I can write it as 224 divided by 10 divided by 2.4 is 24 upon 10, right? Now using the fractions rule, what we can do is 224 by 10 into 10 upon 24. So 10 cancel, and we have got our problem very solved, very easy now. So now you can do it, right? Okay, that's it for the day, everyone. Yes, I'll be sharing some worksheet, right, for your home practice. I hope you will enjoy that. Bye bye, everyone. Take care and have fun. Jai Hind.